Introduction of wire harness molding equipment S in Rexontec. Vertical injection molding machine. Variety of tooling. Let us to see the actual process. After setting on the number on the machine, use the related tooling. Put the wire harness into right place. Put the wire harness into the tooling to fix it. Put the tooling into right place. Press the green opener. The machine performs plasticizing, filling, pressure maintaining, cooling and other steps. Take out the wire harness, form the tooling after the injection process. The molding of SR and the result. The molding of DC and the result. The molding of mini-DIN male connector and the result. The molding of mini-DIN female connector and the result. The molding of mini-DIN male connector and the result. The molding of mini-DIN female connector and the result. Final result. Rexon can provide all the wire harness service. Welcome to scan the QR code to bookmark, like, subscribe and share.